Hey guys, so this is my new Potter fire alarm T-bar. It's a lift and pull. It's pretty cool. I got it for Easter. Oh, here are the keys for it. And I pull it. Lift and pull. Fire alarm. Pull down. It's pretty hard to pull. It's pretty cool. Open this and reset it. This is what it looks like on the inside if you are wondering. That's the main thing. So much wiring stuff on the back. You might think it's complicated. It's not that complicated. It's just like a light switch. You don't really think of them as much. Well, it's the same thing. It's a button. Well, you might not have a button switch, but you pull this down and then the button. But yeah, bye.